Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Welcome back po sa YouTube channel natin. And Tuesday po ng umaga. And kasama ko po yung asawa ko. And galing lang po kami sa dentista. And today, kakain lang kami, magbe-breakfast. Papakita ko sa inyo yung breakfast place kung saan kami kakain. And then mag-grocery tayo. So samahan nyo kami today sa errands, sa pag-grocery shopping, at yun lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming buhay-buhay dito sa Michigan. Ito yung dinadaanan namin papunta sa restaurant. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan, may snow pa. Kita nyo, hindi pa nagme-melt fully yung mga snow. So ayan ang daan, back roads, kung hindi kayo mag-drive sa highway. Tapos makikita nyo yung mga basurahan, yung mga trash day. So ang ginagawa ng mga tao when it's trash day, lalabas lang nila yung mga kanila and then i-collect na ng garbage collector. So you can see wala pang mga leaves sa puno, but come springtime, makikita nyo talagang green na green dito sa Michigan pag summertime. Makita nyo yung snow, tsaka yung mga itsura ng bahay. Ayan. Guys, ganyan yung mga itsura ng mga bahay dito. Tapos may mga mailbox. Kita nyo, dyan nilalagay yung mga letters, mga sulat. Ayan siya. Kasi na makikita nyo may restaurant. So ayan, makikita nyo pag stop, you really have to stop.
Talaga.
Yes. Tapos ito na yung plaza saan kami kakain. So it's 11 a.m. pero pwede pa rin kaming mag-order ng breakfast food dito sa restaurant na ang tawag sa amin dito sa Michigan, Diner or Coney Island. Ibig sabihin yan, meron silang sometimes breakfast food all day long if you want. So ayun siya, Village Kitchen. Guys, nakita nyo, merong reserved parking for handicap. So by law, pag wala kang pass, you cannot park there. So kailangan meron kang pass to park there. Ayan na yung asawa ko. Ito na siya. Ito yung menu, guys. So makikita nyo, iba-ibang combination. Ang orderin ko itong breakfast number 5. 14.59 siya. 2 eggs, 2 pancake, and then bacon. So ayan siya. French toast, Belgian waffles.
Hi.
This one, straws for the waters?
No.
No. We all set to order?
Yes, I'm gonna have the number 5 breakfast delight with bacon and scrambled eggs, please.
Pancakes or French toast?
Pancakes.
Butter okay on the pancakes?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. That's good, sir.
Breakfast burrito, please.
You like both the salsa and sour cream that come on the side?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll get it working, guys.
That comes with potatoes.
Yeah, hash browns.
All right, sweet.
You're welcome.
Yan ang itsura typically ng isang Coney Island breakfast place dito sa Michigan. So dito sa sa Michigan or sa Amerika, pag when you eat in a restaurant, expected dito na nagtitip minimum 15% Kung generous ka, 20%, you can give more. Kasi ang mga server dito, hindi sila salaried. So I think yung iba sa kanila, ang rate lang nila mga $1.50 or $2 per hour. So yung tip actually is payment for them serving you for bringing your food sa table ninyo. So kung kayo ay lilipat dito, if you're moving in the US, expect that's part of the way things are done here. So remember, tip is your payment for the server providing you service, because yung restaurant po hindi sila binibigyan ng sweldo. So hindi extra yung tip. So think about na yung server, yung tip nyo ang kanilang source ng income. So kaya kailangan yan sundin nyo. Minimum 15%, pero kung generous kayo, minimum of 20%. And if you're feeling extra generous, then you can give more than 20%. So keep that in mind. So yun lang. Pagkakape ko, na lang ako, black coffee na lang ako. There was a time na pag nagkakape ako, maraming cream, maraming sugar. And then one time pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, syempre wala akong access dun sa normal na cream na gusto ko dito sa US, diba? So yung sister ko at that time, black coffee na lang siya. So na-train ako mag black coffee for 2 or 3 weeks the whole time na nasa Pilipinas ako. So pagbalik ko dito sa Amerika, nasanay na ako ng black. And for me, mas masarap ang black, no? Lalo kung kakain kayo ng matamis, let's say mga biko, mga kakanin, kasi matamis na yung dessert, di ba? Matamis na yung cake, matamis na yung mga kakanin. So no need na pati yung kape matamis pa. So ayun lang, it is Tuesday 11:15. So kaya konti lang ang tao. Most of them nasa work, But places like this, breakfast places like this could be very busy, obviously in the morning, lalo pag weekends, no? Saturday morning, Sunday morning, puno ang mga ganitong lugar. Typically, yung ganitong coffee, refillable to. So they will keep going back kung sino yung server nyo para i-refill yung coffee. So, ano pa ba? So, yun. So, pag dumating na yung order ko, papakita ko sa inyo. But, yeah, ito ang breakfast place dito sa Michigan. Ang aking pagkain, guys. 2 fluffy pancakes with butter, bacon, and scrambled eggs. And then, ito yung breakfast burrito. Hash brown yan. Salsa, sour cream. So, ayan na. Kain na tayo. Natin mga friends ay ang car wash. Touchless car wash ito. So ayan. Ayan siya. So self-service na ito. Wala nang mga staff na kailangan mag-accept ng payment. Basta may credit card ka. Meron silang iba-ibang menu. Ultimate is $14, deluxe $12, and then yung pinakamura regular $10. So don't know kung anong pipiliin ng asawa ko. Are you doing deluxe, ultimate? I think you have to select wash first.
Please select your wash
There you go.
package now.
Okay, we want
Would you like to have a receipt?
Ayan. Ang deluxe, ayan siya. 2-step hot foaming pre-soak, high pressure rinse, rocker and undercarriage wash, triple shine wax, clear coat protectant, spot-free rinse, and touch-free drying. Ayan na. Make sure pag ganito, sarado lahat ng bintana. Alright. So, ang pinakauna dito yung underbody rinse. Ayan, sa ilalim. Ayan. Ayan siya. I wanna slow down para yung ilalim ng sasakyan talagang ma-rinse. Live in Michigan, nagso-snow. So dahil nag-i-snow dito, yung mga daan, nilalagyan nila ng salt Why do they put salt on the
To melt the snow and ice.
to melt the snow and ice? Pero yung salt, it causes yung metal ng kotse na magkalawang, mag-rust. So, yung asawa ko very siya dyan, particular. After mag-snow at nag-exposure yung kotse sa salt, kailangan banlawan, mag-car wash right away para ma-rinse off or mabanlawan yung salt sa kotse para at least mapabagal yung pagkakalawang or rusting ng kotse. So, ayan. So, ayan siya. I think that's a triple probably wax coat. So, ayan siya. Ganda ng kulay, yellow and pink. Another rinse. Tapos, ayan, high pressure, diba?
Drizzle,
Ayan, kita nyo. Spot-free rinse. Ayan, yan yung next na nilalagay sa kotse niya. Tapos I think after nyan, tapos na. And then, dryer na. Ayan, green, go na. Ano lang to kasi, yung deluxe, yung pinakamahal, mas marami pang steps yon. So, ayan. Dryer. Korean bakery siya. But you know what's nice about this studio, this tawag dito plaza, puno ng mga Asian, mga establishments. May taekwondo, nail place, may malaking Asian grocery store, Way One. Ito merong Chinese restaurant. So, kukuha lang ako ng mga tinapay dito sa Yunes. Let's go. Yan siya. I have to get a tray here first. Ayan yung mga tinda nila. Guys, makikita nyo, favorite na bakery ko to. Masarap yung mga tinda dito. Makita nyo, ang daming selection. Kumuha lang ako ng 4 na items para hindi maluma agad. So, yan siya. Tapos may mga cakes din sila. So, yeah. This is very nice. Malaking Asian na grocery store. Tapos, sa likod, merong Chinese restaurant. Merong taekwondo place, merong alterations, merong math tutor place. So, madaming dito ng mga Asian businesses. Ayan. Nail place. So, ang tinatawag na strip mall dito sa Amerika. Pag sinabing strip mall, ganito siya. Next stop, oil change. So, gusto namin itong lugar na to kasi mapagkakatiwalaan yung mga mama dito. We've been going here for a while now. So, ayan ang oil change place. Alright guys, dito na kami sa loob ng Sam's Club. And this is not gonna be a big grocery haul. We're just getting a few items here. I'm planning to get chicken, salad, coffee, fruit cup, and almond milk. So we're not gonna overdo it today. Oh, they have the Smart Pop popcorn there. We should be getting it here from now on. Yep. Merong mga damit. Magsi-springtime na, pa-summer na, so nilalabas na nila yung mga bathing suit. Itong mga pajama, I like this. 1 second, honey. Gusto ko yung mga pajama niya yan eh. Lambot. Yung mga beer. Then they have wine. Pero dan tayo pupunta sa my meat section to get the rotisserie chicken. Masyadong tao. Perfect timing to. We like to go here pag ganitong patay na oras. Tuesday afternoon na. So work yung mga tao. And we get to go here when it's not crowded. Ito yung chicken. For $4.98, meron ka ng isang malaking manok. Isang buong manok. Then we're gonna get some salad. Ayan. Pwede na sa kanin yan at salad. Ito naman yung salad. I'll get Caesar salad. Meat section. Dito kasi sa Sam's Club, parang yan SNR sa Pilipinas. So, bulk items dito. So, makikita nyo, ganyan kadami. So, it's good if you have a big family. Diba? Yan. Ganyan. Sa pack of 3. Steak nila, lamb chops. Ayan. Ito mga cheeses. Tapos dito yung mga itlog. Oh, I'm gonna get almond milk for my smoothie. Yan ang gusto ko. Now we're gonna get a case of water. Maliit lang yung dinala namin kotse today, yung CRV. So we're not gonna be able to buy a whole lot. Usually, pag yung dala namin yung yung van ng asawa ko, usually we can get more. But, there you go. We're just getting one today. Alright. Yan. Wines. Yan. Soft taco, shells, bread, frozen food. Lahat meron talaga dito. Yan. Pati mga bulaklak. And here we're gonna get coffee. Ang gusto namin yung Tim Hortons. We like to get the grounded version, not the beans, para wala nang hirap. So, you gotta make sure you pay attention that it's ground.
Whole bean.
Whole bean. So, we're looking for, sometimes they do, oh, right there. Ayan, dito pala sa kabila. Make sure again it's ground. Yay, medium ground. Okay. Ito, tas meron sila. I think we can always stock up. Might as well get another one. And then, ito, may mga I'm gonna grab this. Maple syrup. Could always use maple syrup.
Pure sugar.
And then, I don't know if you think you need to stock up on your jelly or if
I
you're
don't think
good.
so.
Oh, right.
I don't eat much of it anymore.
Okay. Dito naman, I think yung mga, yan, mga fruit cups. So, I like the mango, pero actually itong mix, okay to. So, kinakain ko siya with cottage cheese. It's a quick, healthy, and cheap lunch with cottage cheese and fruits. Favorite ko yung paglalo sa trabaho kasi wala namang preparation needed, no? So, alright, I'll grab the mixed fruit and I think the mango. I think I'll get this one for my hair salon. Guys, we're here. We made it home. These are some of the stuff that we bought at 2:35 na ng hapon. So, my next task is organize, isalansan itong mga binili namin. Yeah, like I said, 2:35 na ng tanghali rito. Nagsimula kami ng araw namin around, we left the house like mga 9 o'clock kasi yung appointment ko kanina 10. And then, nakita nyo lahat ng pinaggagawa namin. So, nag-dentist, nag-breakfast, nag-car wash, nag-oil change, and then nag-grocery store. Tapos ito, nakauwi na kami. Yung 2 pusa namin, no? So, ayun lang. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating pagbablog today. At yun lang. So, makiki-follow na lang, guys. At may comment kayo, may tanong kayo, meron kayong suggested na topic for next time, comment na lang kayo. And hanggang sa susunod na lang po. At subscribe. And ingat po kayong lahat.